In the kitchen today, join McCabe, who always has something delicious to make.
Like today's
She heard your
peach
prayer.
cobbler. I just wish it was sitting over there.
Hi everyone. At some point during the summer, I always have to make a peach cobbler. And this is really a great recipe that I want to share with you. First thing, I've got 2 cups of sliced peaches, a cup of water, and a cup of sugar, and I've got it going here on my stovetop. You'll bring these peaches to a boil and just make sure all the sugar has dissolved. While your peaches are coming to a boil here on the stovetop, we're going to put together the batter. So in this bowl, I've got a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of self-rising flour, and I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of milk. And I'm just going to just stir this very gently. I've got a 1/2 cup of butter here, which is 1 stick of butter, and we're going to put it in a 350-degree preheated oven. I placed it in the baking dish. We're going to let the butter melt, and the baking dish is going to heat up. You can see that our butter has melted in the baking sheet while it was in the oven. So now we're going to add our batter to this butter, and we're just going to pour it over the top. You will not mix these ingredients together. Just put the batter in. Then we're going to add our fruit, and we're just going to spoon this fruit into the cobbler. Just place it around evenly. We're going to get all the juices too. And here again, no need to mix. This is kind of like a miracle happening here because during the baking, the batter is going to rise to the top and it's just going to make a perfectly delicious cobbler. Our cobbler is ready and it looks so good. It's golden brown and bubbly, just out of the oven. It cooked at 350 degrees. I started watching it after 30 minutes, but it took about 45 minutes to where it was nice and golden brown. I've let this cobbler cool just a bit, but I want to serve it warm, and I'm going to dish it out in a bowl. Oh, yum, that looks so good. And of course, we'll have to serve it with some ice cream. Vanilla ice cream is perfect. And here you have a wonderful summertime dessert. For the recipe, go to joymccabe.com, or you can find the recipe on WBIR.com. Happy summer, everyone.
Let me just wipe the drool from my chin.
Oh, that'll make you have a happy summer for sure.
Oh my gosh,
I need to
peach
sample
cobbler.
that. I know, Todd Howell, I know you do love peach cobbler as well.